Hey all you viewers, been named later, how we doing today? Well, we got a mail call, and this one's a little bit exciting for me, okay? As I've been talking about recently, I have been playing Star Wars Armada and Star Wars X-Wing. Well, for Star Wars Armada, products have kind of stalled for a little while. Don't know what's going on. I've heard rumors the game is dead. I've heard rumors they're coming out with new stuff. I've heard rumors because of, the coup, they had to lay off a bunch of staff and they have a bunch of stuff planned. Well, what I thought was really, really cool was they came out with what's called Rapid Reinforcements 1. And I know you've seen a bunch of other videos for it. Basically, they took ships that are already in existence and they updated them to your factions. Like, you can take a Victory-class Star Destroyer in the Grand Army of the Republic now. Anakin Skywalker's got his own Delta 7 card. The Separatist Army has Gazantes. Darth Vader is there for, the Empire. A Venator Class 2 for the Empire. Just things like that. Or a Providence-class carrier for the Republic. Excuse me, the Rebel Alliance, excuse me. So, originally I had these things printed out, and one of the Facebook groups I'm in, the wonderful group, Aegis Company, I'm going to leave that link down below. They make cards, and they did them for Rapid Reinforcements. I haven't seen these. I've ordered them. So today we're going to do an unboxing and a first impression of them. Sorry for that little wind-up and fun stuff. I'm really excited for this. And for being a Star Wars fan, since I saw Episode 4 in a drive-in, I was hooked. Seriously, I was hooked. And I've been passionate about it for, the majority of my life. Ooh, those feel heavy. That's kind of cool. On cardstock? Nice. But as we're opening them up, yep, just packing list. Hey, there we go. Dang, those look nice. They really, truly do. Oh, bro. Okay, so there's all the info you need. Look at these things. That is absolutely beautiful, and they're nice cards, too. Oh my god, these things are nice. Oh, the only one I don't see is Vader, but that's okay. Maybe they didn't do one. That's cool. Not like I use the Empire a lot, and my son will suffer in silence because he's an Empire fan. I love the artwork on that. Oh, Vader's on the back of Anakin. Nice. So, yeah, I like these a lot. These are a much, much needed improvement over this. Seriously, even though you can print it out, you can do whatever, I like having these hard cardstock things in my hands. Oh my god, that is so nice. It really, truly is. And I'll admit, how many of you Grand Army people out there painted your brand new Star Destroyer the exact same way? I made a little embellishments in mine, and in a future date, I'll show you that collection. But for now, like I said, I wanted to do a quick unboxing and first impressions. These things are beautiful. Seriously, Julio, my hat's off to you, bro. It really, truly is. Like I said, guys, I'm going to leave everything you need right down below in the description box. Now we are at the best part of the video for me. And for those of you who've been watching my channel for a while, you already know. You already know what I'm about to say. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Do you think those things are nice or an F-bomb? I really want to know. The other thing is, if I made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do any of that during this video, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm and show support for this channel, and that is greatly appreciated. For all you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say, hey, thanks for coming along for this weird ride. I know I'm bringing brand new stuff to my channel. I'm always bringing new stuff. But still, that's part of the fun of my channel. You never know what you're going to get. You guys know what to do on the side. You're going to see videos. You're going to see the big channel symbol, which is going to take you to subscribe. Make sure you guys check those out. But yeah, there we go. My quick unboxing and first impressions of the Aegis companies. Oh, cards. Sorry, the rapid reinforcement cards. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you are having a great day today.